Well, we've already seen state police responding to drivers stuck on the highways and the side roads across the state.
And even after the snow winds down, the heightened response from officers won't be dropping off anytime soon. Remonda Zhuta with Connecticut State Police joins us now. We know that conditions were poor overnight and this morning on all roads. Can you give us a rundown of what sort of calls troopers have been responding to?
Hi, good afternoon, and thank you for having me again. Yes, troopers have been very busy responding to various calls throughout the state all night and all day. In addition to some other calls relating to the snowstorm, troopers from 5 p.m., around 5 p.m. Yesterday evening to around 3 p.m. this afternoon, they've responded to over 80 accidents and nearly 400 motorist assist calls.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah, that number has gone up a little bit, I think, since the last time we talked. Actually, no, I don't think it has, but that's good. Either way, Trooper, I want to look forward. So do you have any advice you want to pass along to drivers who need to get somewhere over the next 24 hours from now? What can we learn from that?
Yes, well, we know the roads are clearing up and the call volume has decreased as far as like the motorist assist and the accidents go, but nonetheless, I think there's still some roads out there that are still not clear. I mean, granted, like, you know, if you really don't have to go out, then we suggest you stay home. But if you do have to go out, then, you know, leave your house with a decent amount of time so that way you're not rushing to your destination. Of course, clean your cars from ice and snow so that way you don't cause a hazard for yourself or for other motorists on the road. And when you're driving, definitely take it slow. Go drastically under the speed limit, not more than what your car is capable of doing, and make sure you got good tires on your car, because if you have no tread on your tires, then they do not belong on the roadways. And of course, always bring a charged phone with you, so that way if you do get into a hazardous incident or unfortunately a collision, that way you can call 911 or anybody else that you need to.
Okay, Trooper Remonda Zhuta with the State Police, we appreciate your time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you.